time blocking. You use this to plan your day by dividing it into different blocks and time for specific tasks. Let's say I start work at 6 a.m. I probably want to increase that font size too, just so you can see it better. Make it bold. So from 6 to, let's say, 2 o'clock, I'm at work. So that will be the slot for Monday to Friday, I'm at work, 6 to 2. Now after work, let's say I want to use this time for something else. From 3 to 4 p.m., I might want to work out. So for that hour, I'm going to the gym, 3 to 4. You can even change the color so you can color coordinate it. That way you don't get mixed up with different stuff. After I finish the gym, let's say I want to work on school projects. And I might do that for, let's say, 2 hours. Say school for 2 hours. And again, I can color code that. Let's make it a darker blue, just cause. Let's say from 6, I want to work on YouTube. 6 to 7, 2 hours. Recording, editing, whatever it might be. And now let's say I want to eat dinner at 8 o'clock, even though that's a little late to be eating, but who cares? And then let's say 9 o'clock, I'm done for the day. I just block those out. There's nothing going on. Saturday to Sunday, let's say it's all family time on these days. So this is just a quick example of a time blocking where you can section out each time period. Like this, you see is by the hour. So from 6 Monday to Friday, 6 to 2, let's say I'm at work. That's the time I'm working on that specific thing. Once it hits 3 o'clock, I'm focusing on the gym. After I'm done at the gym, 4 to 5 or 4 to 6, I'm focusing mainly on getting the school community together, working on different projects and stuff like that. And then 6 to 7 is all YouTube, editing, all that work. 8 o'clock, I might eat dinner. Weekend, I spend a lot of family time. This is just an example on what a time block is. What this does for you is that it reduces procrastination so that way you don't put things off. It also helps maintain structure and a schedule so you can actually look at it like, okay, I do have time to do the stuff I need to do or want to do. It also minimizes your distractions. So when you see this clear picture of your tasks, you won't be distracted when you have good discipline for it, okay? A couple things that might be hard to do. With this. Some things this might make challenging is leaving room for flexibility. So if I'm super busy with this, you see I haven't fit family time anywhere within the week, which I can just take. Let's say I take an hour off of here and I put it in here and I add it sometime. I can always move stuff around, but it leaves little room for flexibility. Also, you may feel a little overwhelmed if you overplan. So it's always good to leave open slots or just have it be like a time where you're off or free. But this type of strategy, it's easy to start. It's difficult to master because it has a lot of discipline involved into it. So sticking with it if you really want this to be successful. So try to make a time block. I will have a template in this video, in this post, and see how it works out for you.